You can't drive down 7th Street off Stockton Boulevard. Strong winds knocked this tree right across the road. Take a look and you can see the smashed white SUV underneath. The windshield shattered. Strong winds sent trees and branches falling. Downtown, this green SUV was no match for a tree branch. You can see the damage through the limbs near 10th and D Streets. In South Sac, a huge tree balances on power lines as trimming crews cut off the branches, trying not to damage the line. The heavy tree near Fruit Ridge Road and MLK Boulevard nearly pulled the power lines to the ground. Smuts says crews are working as fast as possible to get power back to customers, but it's not easy. The power company posted this picture on Facebook showing tree branches tangled in power lines. The power pole snapped in half.